Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox this slime 20 surprise spots ASMR surprise box. It has slime, as you can see, and decorations. Slime and decorations. So we're gonna do it. So we open this up. Look, here's something secret. You can even open this. The dough one. So now we twist. Oh, we got a pink one. How do I freaking open this? Bob, can you? So guys, my mom's gonna help me open it. We got these cool balls. We have a pink one. We have a blue. We have a yellow. Sorry about that pause. And here's all the balls. Let's see if we get some slime. These are so cool. Now we're gonna turn it again. Another decoration. So today we are just gonna open 7 balls. We got cute little hearts. There's only a few. So the color of the hearts is green, red, and yellow. Let's try with some slime to decorate it. So this is how you open it. Slime. It's slime. I know. Oh, this is from Canal Toys, by the way. Let's open it. Bob, can you help me open it? I twisted it, so it should be. We got a pink slime. Look how great. Let's decorate it. So yeah, I'm gonna get some of these beads there. My mom just put them inside the pink slime. This should be colorful. 4. There you go. Oh, we have some hearts. And that's all I add in 1 heart. And the subscribers. I don't give any. I tried to give giveaways. And in the giveaway, we are not giving anything because we're gonna see if we're allowed. I'm gonna actually. Well, we give away chocolates to people who subscribe. So you better subscribe. Better subscribe. You better. You better subscribe if you want that Chucky. Screens. My dad's gonna put on something for you. Guys, I'm gonna
watch this. Watch.
Watch it. I'm so happy. Thank you. Okay. Did you pause that?
No.
Now it's paused. Okay. There you go. Oh. Sorry, guys. This was the thing. How did I get the big head? Okay, so got the slime. What you guys see? Going okay. So let's end the slime back in the tub. Put it inside. Okay. I came with nothing. This purple came with nothing. Oh yeah, this slime came into purple. Away. Okay, there you go. Where is the yellow lid for this? Okay, we're just going that. Now next one. We got beads. Okay, let's decorate this blue one. Is my slime. You got to get the slime the heck out. I wonder what color it'll be. We're about to find out. Okay, by the way, I'm going to show you the chocolates. I get too close. So we have Twix and Milky Way. Okay, that's all we have. No, we don't give away chocolates. Have a little stinky kiss. Dad, can you help? I thought I showed them the ASMR sound. It's so good. Okay, this has to be slime. We got green. Oh wait, what color is it? Yellow. Yeah, they got yellow slime. We got these. Oh. Okay, I did not find them. That's not nice. So we got some cool beads. Let's kind of just. Oh, we have a few hearts. Oh yeah. from the green heart. I love this. Okay, so we've got 3 in there. We got 3 and we put in the heart, the green heart. I tried to squeeze it in, y'all. So let's see. Okay, let's do you squeeze it. Stop popping out. It won't stop popping out, y'all. Pop. Stop popping. Okay, let's go with that. Okay. What grade to 1 to 10? Greatest time, I made 1 to 10. Rate 10 out of 10. My son said 9. I rated. Oh, that's so good. How to say about that? Okay, so these are the slides back here. Here there's regular, metallic, bob, foam, clear, bubble. So those are all the slides. Duckos. So let's do it again. How many? Oh, we got. How many? Okay. What's happened to my fridge, y'all? Rate the fridge 1 to 10, because I got it. Here's all of everything. My mom's gonna help me. All of these are so classy. Wait, we got sponge. We got these so sponges. Oh, we got purple. Wait, let's see what's it says. So this is the regular. We got regular. Whoa, whoa, look at that. Look at this stretch. Look at this stretch. That's the big stretch. That's the decorator. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye. Give me 1 million subscribers.